Imagine you're a business owner. You're juggling clients, managing finances, and trying to keep your head above water. What if there was a tool that could simplify your financial life and make your business more efficient? Well, that's where the Qonto app comes in. Have you ever wished there was a one-stop shop for all your business financial needs? Something that could handle everything from invoicing and expenses to payroll and tax declarations? Well, that's exactly what Qonto offers. What is Qonto? Qonto is a fintech company that provides a modern business banking platform. It's designed to make managing your business finances easier, faster, and more efficient. Think of it as your digital accountant, but with a lot more features. Key features of Qonto. Invoicing. Create and send professional-looking invoices in just a few clicks. Qonto even sends automatic reminders to ensure you get paid on time. Expenses. Track your expenses easily with Qonto's expense management tool. You can categorize expenses, add receipts, and even export reports for tax purposes. Payroll. Pay your employees on time and accurately with Qonto's payroll feature. It handles everything from salary calculations to tax deductions. Tax declarations. Qonto can help you prepare your tax declarations, ensuring you comply with all the necessary regulations. Team management. Collaborate with your team members seamlessly on financial matters. Grant different levels of access to your team, depending on their roles. Benefits of using Qonto. Time saving. Qonto automates many of the time-consuming tasks associated with business finances, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Efficiency. With Qonto, you can easily access your financial information from anywhere, at any time. This can help you make informed decisions and stay on top of your finances. Security. Qonto takes security seriously. Your financial data is protected by advanced security measures, ensuring your peace of mind. Cost-effective. Qonto offers competitive pricing plans, making it affordable for businesses of all sizes. Qonto versus traditional banks. Unlike traditional banks, Qonto is designed specifically for businesses. It offers features and benefits that are tailored to the needs of entrepreneurs. Qonto is also more flexible than traditional banks. You can open an account online in just a few minutes, and there are no minimum deposit requirements. How to get started with Qonto. Signing up for Qonto is simple. Just visit their website, create an account, and provide the necessary information. Once your account is verified, you can start using the app. Qonto is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your business finances and improve your overall efficiency. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, Qonto has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.